Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I said to everybody on my Instagram to choose my get ready with me, so that involved my hair, like what wig I wore, my makeup, all of that. So you guys was voting and now I have to do it. So without further ado, we're just gonna let you guys dress me basically like I'm a doll. The options were blonde, pink, blue or pastel, and everybody basically said blonde. So we're gonna start off with hair. So I got this wig from Nadula hair. I think originally it's a 22-inch wig, but I did end up blunt cutting the end, so I straightened it off camera and everything. I ran it through I dipped it in purple shampoo, so I didn't do too much to it. I dipped it in purple shampoo just to give it some icy kind of vibes, and tinted the lace. Inside the wig just comes with 2 combs at the front and then 1 at the back, and it is just a normal 13x4 parting space. It didn't have that much shedding when we was washing it, just a little bit of strands, but not too much. So I'm just gonna install this wig and see how I feel. Hold on. Hold on. Somebody trying to set me up. Okay, I think I need eyebrows. If I see my eyebrows, will I feel better? Actually, I think I look nicer with no eyebrows. I'm scared because I'm just like me and blonde. I've been scared of blonde my whole life. If I put this off, yeah, I better be at 30k views. If I'm not at 30k views, then there's gonna be a problem. Okay, so let's just install it. Oh, I did pluck this slightly as well, but I feel like 613 doesn't need too much plucking, so I didn't go overboard with the plucking situation. I'm just scared, man, because this could go 2 ways. I could either look really expensive or really low budget. Okay, so going through this, one thing I've realized is that the lace on this wig is hella fragile. So yeah, if you're someone who actually knows how to wear blonde wigs and wants a blonde wig, it's fragile lace. I'm not gonna have all these baby hairs, so don't even pay attention to it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup and then come back and style it. So makeup's done and edges are laid. On my YouTube, on my Instagram, I asked everyone, everybody voted for like a simple makeup look, which is good because I feel like people who voted for a simple makeup look obviously knew that they wanted me to have blonde, and I don't feel like blonde hair looks that cute when you got so much going on in the face. We're gonna straighten this baby out. It's already quite straight, to be honest. We're gonna straighten it out a little bit more and like bump the end a little bit. I feel like a dolly. Normally when I have hair even though you can tell it's a wig, like I still like to try and make it look a little bit like it could be my hair. At this point this is definitely never gonna be my hair, so I do feel a little bit like super dolly, but the color's not bad. In real life it is a little bit more yellow. On camera it is giving a little bit of like icy vibes, which is good. I feel like with blondes, everybody has their own kind of blonde, so this is my first time trying out blonde, guys, so don't judge me too much. At least I can say I've done blonde now. Like everyone can just hop off and stop pressurizing me to do blonde. At least I can say I've done blonde. It's off the bucket list. I don't know if I'm gonna do blonde again. I don't know if this is like one of my favorite colors, but yeah. I feel like a doll. Oh shit. Sign up to be my sugar daddy down below. Guys, I don't think you guys realize how mad this jump is. Like my hair is naturally jet black. I just went from jet black to bright blonde. I don't know how to act, sis. Like, I don't know how to act. I'm not mad at it, you know. Like, I thought I was gonna hate it more. I don't think I'm gonna... Obviously, there's not really nowhere to go. Like, quarantine's not there, but it's not really nowhere to go. So, I'm not thinking to go out like this. Maybe if I was feeling myself, all white party. Hello. This is not half bad. Subscribers, I'm glad that I tinted the lace, because tinting the lace made the parting open out, so I didn't have to put no makeup in there. So I would recommend tinting your lace, even if you're light skin. Yeah, just tint it like slightly with a little bit of like the lightest shade of makeup or whatever. Once again, this hair is from Nadula hair. I've had every single kind of hair from Nadula hair now. I've actually had every single kind of hair. So I've now had blonde hair, I've had curly hair, I've had straight hair. I think I've had kinky curly hair from them as well, and they always come through. To be honest, on their natural colored bundles, their lace is a bit off, but this lace is very good. Like this lace was excellent, especially to tint, so no problems there. I would say it's just a little bit fragile because the lace was ripping so easily, sis. So I would say look out, because the lace can be very fragile. This feels like some proper 613. Like this is my first blonde wig. Look, yeah, technically this is my first blonde wig that I've tried out, so I'm not mad at it. Thank you guys for choosing this hair color. Make sure you follow me on all of my socials to stay updated with me and my life. I'm gonna do more polls like this. I'm thinking if we dye this baby pink. I'm thinking if we like pink and do a little pink look, because you know pink is the favorite color or whatever. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.